First thing
It is
first, I turn on my chemical
so if
balance
I
reading
put,
zero
I
point
need just
0
1
gram
gram,
as you
just
can
1 gram
see,
of it.
and I will gently
So I will
pour
open my
phenolphthalein powder
phenolphthalein.
on the filter
It's in
paper
powder form.
that is
So I
actually
will
placed
pour on
on
it
the
to check.
chemical
My
balance.
says reading.
So that's what I'm doing right now.
So I want
I
1
want to
gram.
measure 1 gram of phenolphthalein
I want
powder.
1 gram. 1 gram of it.
That's what
So
I'm
this
doing
is
right now. You see, we have 0.64
0.64.
gram. So
So how
I'm
deep
putting more so that we
or
have one
should I
gram of
measure
phenolphthalein
the
powder. That's what I'm doing right now. So we have small portion, but I
this
have excess of phenolphthalein
1.7
powder on
this
this
much.
filter paper now. I will
So I
take
will take
this excess away with another filter
some
paper,
from
which
it
I will
away.
do just now. Okay. So
This is
I have exactly
exactly 1 gram.
1.00 gram of phenolphthalein
You
powder,
pour it gently back.
which is perfect for what I actually need to prepare phenolphthalein
So after that,
indicator. Okay, so I will gently pour that into a
so this is
empty
my 1
beaker.
gram. I will mix
Empty beaker. As you
it
can
into
see, the
this
beaker is
empty
empty.
beaker. I may turn off my chemical
So
balance now.
I will pour it
So I
gently
will
into
pour
the
the
beaker.
1 gram into this. This is what I have after this after putting
So I
it.
haven't done that.
Then
I
this
will
is my
measure
ethanol.
50
So I
ml
measure
of ethanol. I'm
50
using this cylinder.
ml.
It's perfect for
50
me.
ml. This is 40.
I'm
This is
having
50.
that
So I measure 50
in a plastic form.
of it.
I will just measure 50 ml of alcohol.
So this
So
is more
what I
than
have there is
50.
more than 50 ml, so I will
That's
just
it. So
reduce
I
it by
will reduce a bit.
gently pouring it back into the
So
plastic. So once I
so
have
this
50 ml,
is
I'm good to go.
50.2.
So I will just put it there
We
quick.
pour a bit
So
down.
that's what I'm doing right now. So
So
once I
this
mix
exactly 50.
that with
And we mix it
phenolphthalein, now we have a
with it.
of tincture of phenolphthalein.
So after I've done that,
So we actually mix it up very well so
so
that
for total
phenolphthalein powder
mixing, I
can
mix very
dissolve.
well.
So once it dissolve,
I mix
I'm
it
good to go.
very
Then
well
I'm trying
so
to
that
shake it
it
very
can
well
dissolve.
so that it can dissolve. So I'm shaking it very well so that it can dissolve. So
So
once it dissolve,
so
that's fine.
after
So
that,
I
you
will
can
now
see it's
dilute
dissolved.
it
There's no
with
remnant anymore.
100 ml of. I'm
So
checking to be
see
sure
that
if it's
this is
actually
my
dissolved,
100
and it
ml
is.
of distilled water.
So I have
So I
100
will just
ml
add
of
it.
water, dilute it with 100 ml of water. So that's what I'm doing right now.
So this
So
is it.
I will mix it very well. It has a bit warm sensation. It's an exothermic reaction, as you can see.
So after
So
I've
I
mixed
mixed
very
very well.
well, so it should
After
be a bit
mixing
warm.
it,
A
after
little
mixing it a
ethanol
bit,
added to it. You shake
I will
very
now
well.
gently pour all this into a reagent bottle.
So after we shake
Into a
very well,
reagent bottle. That's what I want
so
to do now.
ensure that a homogeneous mixture. I will get a reagent
So
bottle just
not
like
to waste
this.
time,
Reagent bottle just like this. That's
so
a
I will
cap.
just put this
So we pour
into a
everything inside the
reagent
reagent
bottle.
bottle. I want to mix it very well.
So that's the end for our phenolphthalein
So
preparation.
make
But
sure you don't
for
have
the confirmatory
any.
tests, I will just add acid and base to it to see if it is okay. I will use a dropper. As you can see, as the video progresses, you will see what I will do with that quick.
So
So
we literally mix it very well here. So
I'm checking it very well so that
so
we can have
this
a
is our
equal
phenolphthalein. To be sure, if
mixing and
it's the
perfect
real phenolphthalein here,
solution of phenolphthalein
I
as an
have
indicator. So I have acid.
acid,
This is an acid.
I have an
This is an
acid,
acid. Then I
then
have
I have
base.
base.
This is
Okay,
base.
so this
So
is
I
what I
prepare
will
it.
do.
This is sodium
I will
hydroxide.
pour,
The acid there is
this is
HCl.
base,
So this is
sodium
base.
base. I prepared it ahead
Now
of
I
time,
will
so I
put
want
the
to use
base
it.
into
So
an
just
empty
for
beaker for confirmatory
phenolphthalein
test of the
powder,
phenolphthalein. That's what I'm
phenolphthalein
doing now.
powder.
So
So I
I
will
will
pour
put
my
the
base
base
here.
into an empty beaker. So
this is base.
after that, I will
So
get a dropper.
and now we take
A
a
dropper,
dropper. This is a dropper.
dropper. This is the dropper. I will
So
just take a few portion
we
of
take like
phenolphthalein
few
and
drop
drop it into that base.
of
Should give
phenolphthalein and
me
then just
purple color.
few drop.
So let's
We
see.
just drop
Yeah,
it
we have
inside.
a
You can see
purple
the
color.
color has changed.
We have a purple color.
Drop now.
Exciting, isn't
See
it?
the color has
So
changed to
now
purple color.
I will now neutralize
So
this
that
with
shows
acid.
that
I will do it
the
gently so that we
phenolphthalein we
can
just
see
prepared
it.
is
So you can
actually
see the
purple.
color of our solution is
Now
now purple,
to neutralize or
light
to
purple.
test if it is okay
So
permanently,
I
can
will
now add acid to it. This is
put in
the mixture. So
acid
if
gently.
I add acid to it, you will see
So
one
what I'm
reaction
trying to
here.
do is a neutralization reaction. It should
You
give
can
me
see
colorless solution at the
there's
end.
no bit
Do we get
reaction, but if
colorless
I add
solution?
more, though the
Do we
formula has
get it?
faded away, but if I add more,
Tell me in the comment section.
I
Thank
want you
you.
to see
Bye bye.
color has not changed yet. Let me add more. You can see the color now has turned to colorless. Can you see that? So that's the reaction. Thank you.
Okay, we're about to prepare phenolphthalein indicator. This is filter paper, then followed by chemical balance, the electrical one. So I have it. So then I have my empty beaker for preparation. Then followed by 100 ml cylinder, a plastic foam. Then I have another. So this is filled with distilled water. Distilled water is there. Then I have my ethanol. Then I have extra beaker for confirmatory test of my phenolphthalein after preparing everything. Then I have filter paper once again. Then this is the phenolphthalein powder. It's in powder form. This is the container. We use just 1 gram of this. So I've turned on my chemical balance now. I want to start the practical. You can see it read